The next time somebody comes to your website looking for information about something, all of your clients will receive a text message with a link to purchase their lead information. They'll be able to see how many times the lead has been sold, when the last time the lead was sold, and when the lead was originally submitted. Using a Stripe checkout form, they can use their credit card information each time, or they can click Remember Me to expedite checkout later. They'll be sent to a success page with all the lead information. They'll also be sent a text message as a receipt with all the lead information. They can call them directly from there. Each one of your clients that receives a text message also has a login. They can keep track of their daily, lifetime, and monthly purchases with this visual graph. They can also keep track of the data they've purchased. The client management system and lead seller backend allows you to keep track of members, how many leads have been purchased that day, how much money you've made. You're able to keep track of month-over-month lead purchases, and along with that, you can see new members, where they came from, and all the lead purchase data from across all your buyers in one place. Apply for a chance to try Monetize Lead today. There's only 100 spots.